Master Padma said, "When practicing the Dharma, there are 10 types of exaggeration." The lady asked, "What are they?" The Master said, "It is exaggeration to profess to know the Dharma without having listened to teachings. It is exaggeration if you profess to have powers without having practiced sadhana. It is exaggeration if you profess to receive the blessings without having devotion. It is exaggeration if you profess to having attained Buddhahood without having meditated. It is exaggeration if you profess to have found a master without serving him. It is exaggeration if you profess to be liberated through a teaching that has no lineage. It is exaggeration if you profess to have realization without the oral instructions. It is exaggeration if you profess that your being is liberated without having done any practice. It is exaggeration if you profess to practice without having diligence. It is exaggeration if you profess to have auspicious circumstances without keeping the samayas. In any case, people who wish to practice easily without undertaking hardship are nothing but braggarts and will have no success."